One of the many nice features on this Ender machine is on the side of the display there's two USB ports, and that's where you can load in your programs. And it's just a feature-rich machine. It's a very solid build construction, unlike the earlier ones where the gears and the tracks got clogged with material. This is completely sealed. It's a very heavily built. Even the print head is a big print head. Feed stabilizer here. I'm just booting up the machine, and it's got the welcome screen. And the home button shows the machine's been idling, it's not heating up, the fan's not on, nothing's going on. And it's got all kinds of tools in there. This is how you get your data off your either locally within the machine or a USB. You got all kinds of variable tools here to play with. You can do your presets for your temperatures, and very easy machine to use, just touchpad. So this is the menu panel, and I push the tools and you can see there's all kinds. You can have brightness of the screen, you have language. I like the equipment self-test, goes through a whole series of routines. And then you've got a network button, and then you set up your network. If you have a camera, you can add a camera to it and back to the system. There's lots of options there. Here's your extruder heat adjustment menu. So on this menu you've got all kinds of adjustments. This is your fan and your Z-axis, your speed, your flow. Here's your extruder heat adjustment menu. Different axis, XY axis, the Z-axis. So they're all right here. So the Ender is self-calibrating. There's a little finger that sticks down. It gives it the height in a grid pattern. Measures about 30 positions, I believe, or more. And you can see there's the sensor there. You can see the sensor that's touching all across the board. It'll make sure it's flat before it starts up. And we're heating up the nozzle. The target is 195 degrees centigrade, maybe 200 degrees, and it's at 190. The bed is at 60. When everything's set up, the fan will start running in the ejector in the nozzle. And the extrusion's coming out, as you can see. So it does a nozzle cleaning, squirts about 3 or 4 inches of that out of it before it actually starts printing. It's a whole automated routine. So it's laying down its first bead here. This is usually pretty rough, and it builds on top of it. It's got double fans to keep the head. Here we go, first print. Look at that. It was so easy to set up. And it's quiet, you barely hear it operating. I'm using the initial PLA that was supplied with the machine. It'll probably shrunk to about 2 by the time it's finished. That's great. Wow, look at that. This is fast. It's clean. You got a really nice job. So it's making a beautiful build, as you can see how much it's built up. And we're about 1/3 of the way through the build here. Look at that, taking shape. It's doing good. So there is the finished product. Look at that. How beautiful that is, huh? And you can see how smooth the finish is. That's because we ran it at a very slow speed, that the layers build up, built with a lot of layers. But that's what you get if you want a quality print. You do it faster. If you have a utility product, you need to print like a kitchen drain or a pencil holder, that kind of thing. But this is what you can do with this Ender printer. It's an absolutely wonderful tool.